What if I told you you could launch your own digital product by tonight, without writing 50 pages, without hiring freelancers, and without spending months stuck in creation mode? Most people never start because they think they have to build everything from scratch. They stare at a blank screen, overthink every word, and eventually quit. Meanwhile, others are quietly launching simple digital products and making consistent sales. So what's the difference? They're not working harder. They're working smarter. That's exactly where 15-minute PLR Rebrand changes the game. This is not some hype-driven, push-a-button-and-get-rich fantasy. It's a practical, streamlined system that shows you how to take ready-made PLR content you legally have the right to edit and sell, and transform it into your own polished, branded digital product in about 15 minutes. Not rewrite from zero. Not struggle for weeks. Rebrand. Improve. Package. Publish. Inside, you'll discover how to find quality PLR content that actually has potential, how to customize it so it doesn't look generic, how to upgrade the presentation, and how to position it so buyers see real value. The secret isn't copying and pasting. The secret is knowing exactly what to tweak, what to enhance, and how to make it look like something created by a professional brand, not a template everyone else is using. Imagine this. Instead of spending weeks trying to write an ebook, you're refining existing material, adding your unique touch, cleaning up the structure, designing a sharp cover, and turning it into a product that's ready to sell. That means faster launches. Less overwhelm. No creative burnout. And the ability to build multiple products instead of just one. Once you understand the process, you can repeat it. One product becomes two. Two becomes five. Five becomes a growing digital asset library. And digital assets work for you 24/7. This system is beginner-friendly. No complicated tech. No confusing jargon. Just a clear, repeatable workflow designed for speed and execution. Because in today's online world, the person who launches wins, not the person who keeps planning. Picture yourself weeks from now with your first digital product live. Then another. And another. You're no longer stuck wondering what to create. You have a method. That shift alone builds real confidence. This isn't about overnight miracles. It's about removing the hardest part, starting from zero, and replacing it with a proven shortcut. If you're tired of overthinking. If you're done waiting for the perfect idea. If you want a faster path to launching digital products. Then this is your opportunity. Click the link. Get access. Follow the steps. Launch your first product. Stop watching from the sidelines. Start building. Your first digital asset could be one decision away. Rock it.